We're back in my bathroom, so you know what that must mean? We're going to talk about hair again. But this time I want to talk about a new product that was sent to me by Lordhair that tries to address something that a lot of us suffer with, and that's itchy scalp. But like every other video, let's start by getting rid of this thing. In this Christmas theme box, Lordhair sent me a little gift. This is their newest product, the ZyroSen hair system. This is the Super Skin V base, which is an ultra invisible base, and it has the hair actually sewn in. And with the antibacterial properties, it'll have an extended lifespan. It's also very good at giving you an invisible hairline. I personally use their pre-cut service all the time because that way I don't have to go anywhere because the style is always right and ready for me to just throw it on. So here's the tag that shows us this is the newest product, the ZyroSen hair system. I'm going to cut that off before applying, don't worry. Believe it or not, the ZyroSen is actually a revolution for hair systems. While I do my maintenance, let me tell you about it. When wearing a hair system, you are essentially trapping all of the dirt and oil that gets under there, and there's nothing that you can really do about it, especially with a traditional hair system. The main issue with that is that it can lead to the growth of bacteria and other organisms, and that can actually irritate your skin, leading to red or itchy scalp. Not to mention, the odors then build up, which nobody wants to deal with. And you can even see here on my scalp how red and inflamed it is, and there's even that one red spot that actually bled while I was doing this because I was just scratching my scalp way too hard. But all of that is about to change, because you see, the dedicated team at Lordhair were hard at work implementing their new antibacterial technology. This technology interferes with the growth of bacteria and other organisms that may be present under your scalp, and with the reduction of these organisms and bacteria, you'll get less irritation and less odor, in turn leading to a healthier, cleaner scalp. When I heard about this new technology, I was excited, but I did have one question, and I'm sure you're wondering it too. Is this just a coating? Because I know when I wash my hair system, I'm washing away all the glue and everything else that's built up, and so I wondered if washing away the glue would also wash away the antibacterial properties. Well, I've got good news there too, because Lordhair has infused the system with this antibacterial technology, which means that with regular maintenance, the technology should last as long as your hair system lasts, which is great news. And seeing as it's December and I'm not even needing a winter coat yet because it's not quite cold enough in Canada, I know that a lot of us are concerned about the impact that this could have in our environment. And Lordhair assures me that the ZyroSen Super Skin V hair system is environmentally conscious, and it's safe to use on a daily basis without having any adverse effects on the environment around us, which is great. All that technology and it being environmentally friendly is great, but how does it actually feel? Honestly, if nobody had told me that this wasn't just a regular Super Skin V system, I'd have no idea that it was any different. I work where I sweat a lot, and after work, my head is always extremely itchy. But with this new technology, I have no itch. I actually feel pretty great, and I think this may be my new favorite hair system. And there you have it. That is the application of Lordhair's newest system, the ZyroSen, which is an antibacterial hair system, which should help with itch and any other kind of discomfort. And if you're interested in buying yourself one, make sure you check out Lordhair.